But we are now in our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about some knives, like a selection of Kershaw knives that have their Duralock. So as many of you know, the Benchmade Access Lock lost its patent a couple years ago. So more companies are coming out with a crossbar or stainless steel bar lock. Kershaw's is called the Duralock. So this is the Iridium, brand new knife on the market. Beautiful. It's a dark gray G10, excuse me, aluminum with a bronze or copper orange anodized aluminum back spacer. Deep carry pocket clip. D2, I'd call it a spear point blade with a nice swedge in there. And the action on these is just phenomenal, right? So this nice, slightly higher end than the other guys. This is the Covalent. I love this one. This is my favorite still because it's the only one with a flipper. I've been on companies for years to give me an ambidextrous locking mechanism with a flipper that's manual. So again, the Covalent, it's a D2 blade. It's their polymer handle with a deep carry pocket clip again. And this one's super deep. It's all the way over. This knife will sit all the way into your pocket. And just love the texture on that one. And then we have the Heist. So this is their black polymer. Again, a D2 blade. Very similar deep carry to that one, if not the same. And again, just all of these have amazing actions. I want to say they're all on ball bearings. I know at least the Iridium absolutely guaranteed is on ball bearings. I can't remember about the other ones. Yep. Yeah. So just a quick look at the Kershaw Duralocks. Love them. Glad we have them in the shop.
Yep. Kershaw's been doing some great things. I love the fact that they send us parts as well so that we can work on the knives. There's a lot of things that they're putting in for the pluses for us as dealers. And the Iridium is one of those knives that you can only get through the dealer. You can't even get it online on Kershaw. So really,
and these are all sub $70 knives.
Boom.
Yes.
So awesome. And if you guys watch any of our other stuff, you know how much I love D2. So great knives by Kershaw. Kudos to them. You guys have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us however you feel fit, and we will see you on the next one.